Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In previous video, we have created the elements. By creating one element, we have looped other element as well into it. Right now, we will create a navbar. If you need how to create a navbar in detail, then kindly let me know. So let's get started. We have created a navbar folder here. In that, I've written and created one component. Component name was navbar, and in that I have written a div. Given a div class name is snapper name, that I've given a button, that I've written a function on call filter item. Here we have written the function constant filter items equal to category. If I will show this later. First, we have created a const updated list equal to menu API dot filter. It will filter the range of data. In that, I've passed a current element written current element dot category equal to this category. Then, in the menu list, it will store the updated list. Okay, we will see this afterwards. So here I have passed that I have created one attribute name was filter item. In that I have passed a filter item function name, that is this one, and we have used it here in navbar filter items, and here I have passed that and use it here. You can write this function name uh, in cap as well, but always remember when you write attribute, it should first letter should be in caps, sorry, in small. Okay, then I've used a useState function. In that, I've written a menu list and updated menu list as set menu list equal to useState unique list. Unique list I've created here. I shall remove this one and then I will get to know. Okay. This bracket is for this. Okay. So let's see the value here. Mm. Set unique list equal to new set. This one. Getting a better dot. Okay. So we are getting an error by this. If we are removing the bracket and the dot, then we are getting an error. So this is used to create an this arrow is used to create an array, and we have used a spread operator to convert. Suppose it's not bad. Clear that. Okay. So here we get an array, but in this array we get an object as well. To convert this, we use spread operator. So we get a pure array format. After that, I've returned this all to show in this tab. If we remove this, then let's remove it and see. Getting what you can see, the all tab is removed from here. All. So we have written this category if means we have given the tab name here, but to perform some functionality into this, we have written a if condition. If category equal to all, then in set menu data return category name means all return all the dishes, because in this all the values stored. Say it here. Menu category is next, so it will show all the dishes there. Then we have passed a menu list, which we have used a use state in after that we have passed a menu used a prop functionality. This is an attribute name, and this is a function name which we have created here, and I have passed it here. Sorry, this I have passed it here. Menu list. In menu list dot map function equal to current in that I have passed a parameter current element. We have used the arrow function here. Button class name equal to button 1. On click equal to filter item current element button. Suppose if we write this div class here, there is an issue. Uh, we have to make this start from here. So it's showing in a column format. And one more thing I want to say. Suppose I write category here. Then the data was removed. So I think you get to know that all the data is stored in a current element. So we just have to write current element, and from to remove to convert a column into a row, we have to remove this div from here. and put it above the menu list. Okay, think there is some error. Div. Okay, I'll do it from here. Breakfast, it's snacks, lunch, dinner, and in all time we are getting all the dishes. So hope you like this video. Do like, share, and subscribe.